It's Jay with Car Guys New England. Today's a different type of video because I've been having a really bad problem with deer flies in the yard. So I'm making a modification to my lawnmower so I can trap deer flies as I go around the yard, and I'll show you guys what I did here. All right, so I got my John Deere D140, and what I did was I got a 1/4 threaded rod, and I just mounted it through one of the canopy holes with just some fender washers and the nuts, and I double nutted it on both sides. Then that comes up to this plastic measuring bucket that I just made a hole in, and it just held in here, and I just quickly spray painted it blue because deer flies love the color blue and movement. This will be above my head on the tractor. So this makes the perfect target for those deer flies. And what I'm gonna do, and the reason why I'm wearing gloves, this stuff is like absolute snot. It's called Ketchum. And you put this on this, and then we're gonna drive the tractor around, and any flies that attack this will be stuck to it. So I'm gonna put this snot on here, and I already got a fly buzzing me. But I'm gonna put this stuff on, and then I'm gonna drive the tractor around and see how many flies I catch within 20 minutes of driving. All right, so we applied the sticky snot to the top and to the sides of this. So now let's take the lawn tractor out and see what we can catch. So after driving around for about 15-20 minutes, it is catching deer flies. I got a few actually. There's one over there. We got one here. It's a little breezy out today, so it could be that it's just breezy, but I'm gonna keep testing this out and see how many of these deer flies I can get rid of in the yard. Well, it looks like I got another one, which is good. So I got 3 deer flies so far. It is breezy again. So I'm gonna try this out when it gets a little darker. Hopefully the wind will die down. All right, so I got my son riding along, and there is a ton, just a ton of deer flies sticking in the trap now that the sun's starting to go down. So I went out after dusk, and now this thing is covered in deer flies. Ugh, disgusting. But at least they won't be biting me or the kids, so that's all good. It's all good. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe. Also, hit that like button. And if you have questions or comments, be sure to comment down below. Deer flies are a terrible problem here in New Hampshire. And when you get bitten by them, you itch for like a week. I felt really bad when my youngest son kept getting buzzed by them, and he kept yelling out, "Bee, bee." Those aren't no bees, and that bite really hurts when you get bit by them. And like I said, it just itches for a long time. But thank you so much for watching this video. This is Jay with Car Guys New England. Until next time, take care.